Okay, let's go through the reading test, the practice test. Yes, it was harder than the real test, but there is a bit of similarity and some of the vocabulary that you definitely need to know. So let's go through the answers. Hopefully you've got your sheet with you right now and a different color pen to do some corrections. So question 1, you are working at the information desk of a department store in Japan. Help the customers find what they are looking for. Read the directory and answer the questions in English. So we've gone through the department store directories before. On which floor are accessories located? We can see the word accessory. Oh, that's I'm doing a comment, not a highlight. Try this one. Accessory. So that would be the first floor is the correct answer. B, where can I find wristwatches? The vocabulary we need is tokei. We can see tokei on the 7th floor. So 7th floor is the correct answer for B. Where can I find chocolates? The word for chocoreto is there, so we are going to the basement 1st floor. D is a bit harder. What is on the 8th floor? So when we look at the 8th floor, we have to read the katakana. It says bargain corner. So I needed bargain corner as the answer, and if you had the extra information, that's even better. We have 7月スペシャルはジーンズと T シャツ. So the July special is jeans and T-shirts. Be careful that that is the kanji for month and not day. I know a lot of people wanted to write the 7-day special instead of July. On which floor are ladies' dresses located? So we have ladies' fashion on the 2nd floor. So dresses would be part of that. So 2nd floor is the answer there. I want to buy a nice tie. Where would I find one? We can see that necktie is part of the 4th floor under the men's floor. Which floor are toys on? Okay, new vocabulary, omocha. We can see omocha for toys, the 5th floor. You needed 5th floor there. What's on basement 2? Okay, so basement 2, the title is the food floor. So food floor. Then we have yasai, vegetables, niku, meat, and sakana, fish. So food floor, vegetables, meat, and fish. I should probably highlight that one too. Good. Alright, where would I find golf wear? So this particular department store doesn't have the word golf, but we do know that golf is a sport, and the 3rd floor has sportsu wear. So the 3rd floor is the answer for golf wear. And the last one, where are the toilets? We need to find the word toire. We can see it twice. The first time is on the 2nd floor. So 2nd floor plus toire on the 7th floor. 2nd and 7th floors. Just a bit of extra vocabulary for things that we might have needed. If we start at the basement 1st floor, keiki is cake. Okashi is snacks or sweets. On the 1st floor, bagu, bags. Kutsu, shoes. And keshouhin, makeup. 2nd floor, we haven't done boutique. So there are some boutique shops on the 2nd floor. The 3rd floor, young casual. So that would be the youth fashion, the young casual fashion. 4th floor, next to neckties is kutsushita for socks. 4th floor, the men's floor, next to the neckties is kutsushita, that's socks. They're like under shoes. The 5th floor we have kodomo fuku, children's clothes. The 6th floor, gunbogu, stationery, and hon, books. 7th floor, I think you can understand, CD, DVD, terebi, so TV. And the 8th floor we've already done. So that is all for that section. Scrolling down, The next section was much harder. There's a bit of vocabulary that you probably didn't know, but I'll just go through A, B, C, D, E, and then go through the passage, and we should be right to go. So A, ショッピングセンターは遠いです. This word 遠い means far. You didn't need to know that. You just needed to check to see if that word appeared. B, ショッピングセンターの店は高いから買いません. The shopping center shops are expensive. So because the shopping center shops are expensive, I don't shop there. I don't buy. C, 100円ショップでお菓子を買います. I buy snacks or sweets from the 100 yen store. D, ブティックの洋服は高くないです. The clothes, 洋服, the clothes at the boutique are not expensive. We've got 高くない, the negative. And E, このショッピングセンターは便利です. The shopping center is convenient. だから, therefore, 人気があります. You might remember 人気があります from the last chapter about food. It means popular. So, looking at the passage. 私は買い物が好きです. I like shopping. 大抵、近くのショッピングセンターに行きます. So, 行きます is to go. 大抵, generally. I generally go to the shopping center that's close, 近く. So that means it is not far. We were false for A. Next sentence. センターの中に面白い小さい店がたくさんあります. あります means to exist. So it's like there are, inside the center, センターの中に面白い interesting, and 小さい small shops. A lot of them, たくさん. 安い店も高い店もあります. So there are cheap shops and expensive shops. 100円ショップもあります. There are also 100 yen stores. Remember, も means as well or also. この100円ショップでよく文房具やお菓子を買います. At this 100 yen shop, 100 yen shop, I often buy stationery and snacks. Oops, so that one must be true, and sorry, I've skipped B. We know that there are cheap and expensive shops, and they shop there, so that one is also false for B. D. Let's keep reading. 素敵なブティックもあります. There are also great boutiques. この店の洋服, so this shop's clothes, we're talking about the boutique, and bags are とても高いから, because they're very expensive, 買いません. So they don't buy any clothes or bags from the boutiques because they're very expensive. D says the boutique clothes are not expensive, so that is false. We continue. レストランフロアもあります. There's also a restaurant floor. 時々, sometimes, 友達と with my friends, ピザやラーメン, pizza and ramen を食べます. I eat. このショッピングセンターは This shopping center is 便利だから. Because this shopping center is convenient, 人気があります. That is true, therefore. So they are the answers. If you have any further questions, please ask Aya Sensei in the room. ありがとうございます.